Hello guys, welcome to my next tutorial. For everyone new, my name is Makeup and I'm addicted to makeup. Today we'll be doing glowy bronzy skin with browny sparkling eyes, perfect for coming summer. We are starting from contouring my eyelids with 3 shades of brown. I'm using here limited eyeshadow palette of some Polish beauty YouTube guru. So it is not available anymore, but any other neutral palette, for example Zoeva Naturally Yours, will be excellent for this purpose. In next step, I'm cleaning my eyelids, something in the form of cut crease but nothing precise, because in a moment I will be packing some pigments in similar tones. The first pigment that I'm packing onto my lid is number 86 from Inglot. Next, I'm adding a little bit of glitter. I'm using here the glitter with pink undertones from this palette which I used for eye contouring. However, some copper glitter would be great for this job, maybe from NYX, but unfortunately I don't have it. I'm sticking it on glitter primer from NYX, although these glitters from the palette are pressed with some glitter glue in it. After this pinky glitter, my eyelids lost browny undertones, so I've decided to add some copper pigment from Kobo Professional in shade red and gold. I'm adding brown matte shadow in my crease and blending a little bit. Very quickly winged eyeliner. I skipped through applying falsies. If you are interested how I do this, I'm referring you to my other videos. In my inner corner, I'm applying Lucid eyeshadow from Anastasia Prism palette. I'm so angry because it came to me with several shadows scattered. I will have to fix it using alcohol, but I'm afraid I will definitely damage these shadows. Next, I'm cleaning my under eye area from Glitter Fallout. And we are moving to face. Because the idea of this makeup is shiny, glowy skin, as a primer I'm using Master Strobing Liquid Highlighter from Maybelline. I have it in shade Light and I'm applying it on side parts of my face. For a foundation, I chose Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in shade Golden Beige. It's one of my favorite foundations. It's quite light, good coverage, and what is most important, it lasts all day unarmed. But you probably know this, it's quite popular. First, I'm distributing it by fingers and then I'm blending with beauty sponge. In this tutorial, under my eyes, I used Instant Anti-Age Eraser I can never remember the name of this concealer. It's from Maybelline. I'm blending it with little wet sponge. This Lackless Prism palette is reflected right now in the palette I'm holding in my hand. I'm setting the whole face with Golden Rose finishing powder. And I'm coming back to my lower eyelid. I'm applying this beige shadow all over it except inner part. And in order to define it, I'm applying dark brown eyeshadow in outer part of my lower eyelid. For bronzing my face, I used matte bronzing powder from Polish brand Pierre René. First I'm bronzing the whole face and next I'm contouring my cheekbones. And my forehead. And my nose. With my sponge I'm blending harsh lines a little bit and I'm baking the part of my face under my cheekbones. I have a tendency to blush in this area, which is rather not right place for blushing, so baking this place helps me to cover it. Next, I'm highlighting everything I can, my nose, cheekbones, my forehead, the tip of my nose, my chin, my ears, my breasts. I'm just kidding. Next, I'm covering my bottom lashes with mascara from Essence. It's I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. It's so lengthening and volumizing, but the only con is the brush is covered by too much of product and it may get lashes clumpy. For lips, I chose only lip liner from Golden Rose in shade 510. In order to remove Santa Claus effect on my face, I'm removing the excess of powder after baking. At the end, I've decided to add some gloss to my lips, because in my opinion matte lips don't fit to such glam glowy look. And that's it! This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please share your thoughts on this look in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions regarding next makeup looks, please let me know as well. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done this yet. And yes, see you in my next videos. Bye!